Hi, my name is Jolene Vadaria. I am currently working as a manager in an IT company for the last 20 years. I decided to pursue a course in project management, and in my search, I found MIT. I wanted to do a distance education program because I'm a full time professional and I didn't have the time to pursue and a college kind of a course where you'd have to be present live and attend the college. So I decided to pursue something online. And in my search, I came across MIT distance education, and the course that I pursued was for project management. It's an executive course for a duration of 1 year, and the course is divided into 2 semesters, and they have a project assignment towards the end of the year. In my family, I have 2 children, school-going children, and it's a little bit challenging to attend, to study, in fact, with 2 children and to manage a full-time job. But the curriculum at MIT was so good. The professors are all very learned, PhD professors. They know how to engage the students in an online medium. They would try their level best to answer your queries and make you understand, clear your doubts and difficulties to the best of their ability. And if I must have missed maybe 2 or 3 classes in the entire year, and the classes that I missed, I would go and watch the recording. There are recordings available for all the sessions, so I would go and visit the recordings and watch it maybe over the weekend. So the way the program is it's outlined, they schedule for the entire calendar year the subjects and the topics that are going to be covered in all the subjects. And they also have sometimes visiting faculty who have in my course there was faculty who were teaching us Excel, Jira, Power BI. So it was a very good experience to have a hands-on practice and to do these live on the course. In my work currently, I am using these tools, and to get a hands-on practice on these applications, and to have a professor guide you and help you, it was very useful for me. So along with this, there is also a counselor who is very helpful. So my counselor was Nikita, and she made sure that whatever queries I had throughout the year, they were resolved. Any doubts, and she would call me and make sure to remind me that to submit my assignments on time, or to submit my project on time, to study. The exams are coming closer. She would be like my personal reminder. So eventually, over a period of time, towards the end of the year, she became like almost like a close friend. I'm sure the counselors communicate with a lot of students, but she made me feel as though I'm the only student she's interacting with. So really thank the counselors for that. If there are any other issues, any technical issues, or anything related to other things like books or something else, then we can open an e-ticket. MIT has the facility of an e-ticketing system, which whenever I have opened tickets, they have been resolved in less than 24 hours. So they're very quick in resolving your tickets and issues. And that's about it. I would highly recommend this course to anyone who is planning to do a distance education in project management. And thank you, MIT. I wish you all a good luck and good wishes to pursue this course further. Thank you. Bye-bye.